Students, let us set our book first. All of you are ready with your books, right? Take your book list along with you. First, we will check all the textbook. Buzzword English textbook, grade 3. Along with that, you have Buzzword English workbook. These two books for English subject. Next one is Kannada textbook. Kannada and the computer textbook we will provide you when the regular classes starts. Next is Hindi textbook, science, social studies, mathematics, Arabic textbook. All these textbooks should be bound in the brown sheet which we are provided in the book list. Is it clear? Next student, notes book. Take 4 lines to notebook. 4 lines to notes book. These two books to write English note. See, these two books you have to keep it separate. This is for term 1 and this is for term 2. Before that, write your name, class, subject. In front of the subject, you write number 1, in the sense term 1, and number 2. Term 1 for semester 1st and term 2 for semester 2nd. Now whatever the notes we are giving, that you have to take down in the semester 1, term 1 notebook. Four lines English copybook. 1 line English grammar book. 1 line English homework book. 1 line English unit test book, in the sense class test book. These 5 books for English subject. Next, again take 3 lines, 2 books, 2 notebook. Semester 1 and semester 2. Keep it separate. Again 3 lines, 1 book. That is for Hindi copywriting. Single line Hindi homework book. 1 line Hindi class test book. Take 2 lines, 2 notebooks. Term 1 and term 2. Keep it separate. Again 2 lines copybook. 1 line Kannada homework book. 1 line Kannada class test book. Next take vertical 2 notebook. Vertical 2 notes book. Make it separate, term 1 and term 2. Semester 1 and semester 2. Again vertical homework book. 1 notebook. Again vertical mathematics unit test book. Next student, take 3 lines, 2 books. social science, 3 lines, 2 notebook. Keep it separate, term 1 and term 2. Social science, single line, homework book. This is social science single line unit test book. Next, take 3 lines, 2 notebooks to write science note. 3 lines, 2 notebook. Term 1 and term 2. Single line science homework book. Single line science unit test book. Single line Arabic notebook. 1 notebook. And last one is single line computer notebook. Next one is student scrapbook. You have scrapbook. After that, 5 activity book. Each one for each subject. English activity book, Hindi activity book, Kannada activity book, social science activity book, science activity book, mathematics activity book. So 6 activity book for each subject. Students, here when the regular classes starts, scrapbook, all the subject homework book, you have to keep it in your classroom. So even when the regular classes starts, you have to get only your term 1 notes book. Only the term 1 notebook and all the textbooks. All the textbook and all the term 1 notes books you have to carry every day along with you. Is it clear? And with that, scale is provided. School diary and file. These two, when the regular classes starts, that day we will give you all. Is it clear? So term 1 you have to carry every day with you. Term 2 keep at home. We will tell you when you have to get term 2 books.